Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we try to correct Betty's obstructive sleep apnea. Putting on the S&S Stealth Air Stinger. Okay, so what's in the box? Got the air cleaner cover, such classic look. I love these things. Backing plate, the filters, breather bolts, and the mounting bolts for the backing plate, mounting bolts for the cover. This is to cover some wires that'll be below it that'll be left exposed. The gasket for the round part of the air cleaner, and a couple stickers. I like stickers. So if you're new to the channel and don't know, this is my 2024 Heritage Classic, affectionately known as Betty. For obvious reasons, ram, jam, wham, blam. Thank you very much. You know the old saying, if it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. Doesn't apply to motorcycles. All right, first thing we got to do is get the old one off. This is a 1/8 Allen. All right, 5/32. So it is another hot, steamy day here in Southeast Georgia. It's supposed to be like 98 degrees with a heat index of 109, like 90-something% humidity. It is almost 9 o'clock. I probably should have started this at 6 o'clock in the morning. It is already hot and soupy. Okay, you can see there is a little residue on there. It's not too bad. We'll clean that out. 5/32 again. Okay, 7/16 for these breather bolts. Okay, old backing plates off. So this little piece that comes with it is to cover up this plug, right? So here's the backing plate. It's got a little nub right here and another hole. Goes on like that. Comes with a screw to put in here. We'll put it on in just a sec. And it'll fit like that. So just a little cosmetic piece to cover this up. Okay, so we've got this cover on the backing plate. I'm gonna put these 3 screws in. This is 5/32 Allen. We're just gonna get these started in the backing plate. Okay, once it goes through, it'll be loose like that. And then before we mount it, we'll put a little Loctite on here. So all 3 of these. In, they'll stay in. Okay, got the seal on there. Just put a little leftover engine oil around it, holding it in place pretty well. Put a little Loctite on here. Washers on there. Now this comes with 8 of these washers. What I've seen online and in other videos, you usually only need 1 on each side, but we'll check it. A little bit of Loctite. And we'll get the breather bolt started first, just to hold it in place. Making sure that seal is seated. And that is not cross-threaded. Okay, let's get these started. Just hand tighten for now. And this is a 5/32. Good, hand tight. Again, just hand tight for now. And this is a 5/16 Allen or hex. Okay, you're supposed to check the gap from the plate to the mount. And yeah, there's no space in there. It's not even all the way tight. So one should be fine. So this info wasn't included with it, but if you're curious, what I found online for torque specs is that these smaller bolts should be 10 foot-pounds and the breather bolts 10 to 12. That's pretty low. I'm just tightening it. And that feels pretty good right there. All right, so the backing plate's on, and I did want to point out how this works a little bit. You know, you hear about the blow by from the M8 engines. This one wasn't bad. It did have a little bit, but it wasn't dripping. It was just a little residual in there, a little residual film. So the way this one vents, I should have shown before, the breather bolts have a hole back there, then a hole that comes out in this section on the side, and it vents into here, back into the intake. Let's get these filters on. Okay, so the round filter, it's a spot down here. I don't think it matters which way it's oriented, but for cosmetic purposes, we'll put that at the bottom so you don't see it. Hopefully that will stay right there. This is one of the reasons I chose this version, because it's got that center filter and open on this side. One, just aesthetically it looks really good to me, but also hopefully it's a little more room for airflow. All right, so we're just going to sandwich that on there for right now. Comes with these black bolts for the cover, and they are Phillips. And at one point I had a Phillips screwdriver here. There it is. And I'm just going to get it hand started for now, because I want to check this seal, and then I want to put a little Loctite on here. Yeah, looks good. All right, I'm gonna take that back out. A little bit of Loctite. I'm not sure the torque specs on this. I'm going with the good old good and tight. And there you have it. That is installing the S&S Stealth Air Cleaner on the 2024 Harley Davidson Heritage. I don't know if you can see this. I didn't spill anything on myself. That's just sweat. Yeah. Southeast Georgia in July. Ooh, yeah. I really like the looks of these. Just a classic look. Oh, hey. What's that over there in the corner? Little teaser for next episode. So that's the install of the S&S Stealth Air Cleaner. If you're interested in the FP4 tuner that I did on the last one, I'll leave a link up here. It all kind of goes together. If you like content like this, consider hitting that thumbs up, like and subscribe maybe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, we're gonna take Betty out here for a ride and see how she's breathing, okay? I'll see you later. Stay safe and let's go ride some motorcycles.